India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always stay to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. There will be prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by Sai from Grade 6 Sapphire. International news. 2 British warships collided in a Middle East port. National news. Assam government treating people not to join Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. Alleges Rahul Gandhi. Thank you. Have a short day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by Geeta of Grade 6 Jasper. State News. Karnataka not receiving incentives for its physical efficiency. Sports News. Tata secures IPL title sponsorship for rupees 2,500 crore until 2028. Thank you.
Today weather report is brought to you by El Panit of VI Sapphires. Today weather report. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, 26 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Mostly sunny.
And today's thought for the day is brought to you by A. Harsta from Grade 6 Sapphire. Thought. You cannot be a hero without being a coward. I repeat it again. You cannot be a hero without being a coward. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today's what is brought to you by Yashwam from Grade 6 Sapphire. What? Announce. To make something no oftenly. Please friends spell after me. Announce. 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 Thank you.
Everyone, today's Celebrations on Life Day is brought to you by Bhavesh of Grade 6 Sapphire. Celebrations of Life Day. Celebrations of Life Day on January 22nd honor the children and grandchildren who bring their joy to our lives. That the day is a reminder that each child and each life is to be held as a precious gift with the highest respect and dignity. Children grow up so quickly. They're constantly learning new things and changing daily. Each day they delight us with their simple wisdom and observations. By spending time with the children and demonstrating the care and love they deserve, we celebrate their life. Thank you. Have a good day.
Pune Park, Color, State News, Hyderabad Airport and historic December with 2.3 million 577,000 AMJ. Sport News. Messi retired FIFA player about and to today weather report is brought to you by Jasnavi from Raven Corner. Weather report. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Next month I will continue. My name is Today Thought is brought to you by Rohan from Grade 1 Coral. Thought. Teachers, open the door. You must enter by yourself. Thank you. Next my friend will come to all. ENTER. Enter. Friend, please after me. Enter. 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 Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today's Amazing Facts is brought to you by Srinke from Grade 1 Coral. Amazing Fact. Fact number 1. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Fact number 2. Pandas love to be alone. Fact number 3. Unicorn is the African national animal of Southland. Thank you. Next my friend will continue.